Hey, what's up, 2A fam? It's your girl back again with another one. This video, I am going to talk about some things that may can go wrong with your rifles, your pistols. But in this particular time, it's going to be one of my rifles. Well, another rifle. Um, I have the Stag Arm AR-15 pistol. And I wanted to discuss about when you go to places and purchase aftermarket products, they're not always good. You have issues with them sometimes. And for this particular rifle, I had an issue with a muzzle that I wanted, and someone, gave it to me as a gift. And it's chrome. So you don't know if it's actually steel, aluminum, or etc. Because they don't put that on their description card. But when I seen them, I was like, oh, that would go cool on my little AR-15 pistol by Stag Arms. So this is it. Check it out. Do you see anything wrong with that? You might not could see it that good because it kind of banged up a little bit. But let me turn it on the other side. Turn it upside down. You see what happened? Right here is missing 3 little notches in it. 2 little notches, I'm going to say. No, actually, it's just one. Looking at it, it's on there, and that one missing. And on this side, it's just banged up a little bit. I'm a little disappointed because I really like this. I feel like it gives my AR character. And I'm going to switch this out because it has also the little skull at the bottom. I'm going to switch it out and put this one back on there. This is one of my old ones. The old one, the original one that came. Let me take it out. Oops, let me make sure I don't lose none of the stuff. Here it is right here. This is the original one. And this little baby is loud as I don't know what. Especially with this type of muzzle, the gas pressure goes back when you shoot it. It goes back and you feel it, and you be under something. Everything up under is shaking. I think I had posted a video of me shooting it, and also someone else was shooting it. And it was really loud. And they suggested that I should change it. But before I was able to even consider changing, that person that was shooting it, I had seen fire coming out of this. I just seen fire. I didn't see the broken part until afterwards. And I already loosened it up, so I'm going to take it off right quick and put my old one back on. At least I know that's safe. These, like I said, these slits in it, the gas pressure goes back. This one, it'll go outward, but when I do shoot this muzzle, when it was on here, I didn't feel anything come back towards me, but it was loud. It was knocking things down too. And that, like I said, when you have a short rifle like this, you have a little bit more recoil, just like with handguns. But I'm going to take this off and replace my other one. And they do sell these muzzles where you don't have so much noise. I didn't order one, but I will eventually. I just didn't feel like ordering it at this point in time. But this thing is pretty heavy. It looked like it could be steel, or it might not be. I don't know. But it's heavy, and I don't know why it broke like that. And apparently I don't care, because I'm not going to take anything off of this again. So, in saying that, let me take my little handy dandy gloves off, and this is the actual one of the rings. These right here are so thin, they came with that other muzzle, and that could have been an issue too, because they so thin it probably wasn't thick enough, and I should have stuck with this one. Anywho, let me see which way this thing should go here. Go that way, or should it go this way? Okay, and turn it. Excuse my hands if they ask you. Now I gotta tighten this real tight. I have my handy dandy tools here. Pow, this could knock somebody out. Let's see. Looking at the, okay, I was gonna say this one's cracked, but it's not. There's still roots that they have on it. I think I need to tighten it just a little bit more so I can get this part right here on top. I need me a bench, a workbench. That would be great if I had one. Oh, I'm gonna close the thing up. I'm almost there. Do y'all want to see what I'm doing? I don't know if you can let this thing go work right there. Whoops. You see? So I'm assuming that that's the way it goes. Okay. Okay, let's get back to the regular program. Oh no, it's on top. I don't know what I was thinking. It is right here. I think it's not all the way there, so I'm gonna tighten it a little bit more. Let's see here. That should have done it. Let's see. Yes, let's see. Did that look even to y'all? That notch right here is supposed to be even with that. Let's see. I think so. Maybe just a little, just teeny tiny little twist. It is clear. Just letting you know it is clear. I had it unlocked, but it unlocked. Still looking at, do that look even to y'all? Have enough room for the ammo to come out, the bullet. Anywho. So Yeah, I'm going to keep this as a souvenir and a reminder. I will not be buying anything else like this. I still don't understand how it just blew it open like that. That is crazy. But anyway, guys, thank you for tuning in once again. Don't forget to click the link to subscribe, like, and share, and add your comments. Positive energy on this page only. I mean, I could take constructive criticism, but not harsh criticism. I'm going to say that. But anyway, until next time, peace and love.